guys, it's Anna. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here and you enjoy all things Disney, travel, and lifestyle, please consider subscribing and hitting the bell so you'll be notified when I upload a new video. Today I am sharing with you a Disney vacation planner. How freaking cool does that sound? So I have it right here. Let me take it out really quickly, but then I'm gonna switch my setup and show you the planner more closely. So it is like this. It is super cute, and it's literally made like to plan your Disney vacation. And since we currently have 2 vacations that we are currently planning, I thought that this would be a perfect addition. Okay, so I wanted to show it to you kind of like this. I'm sorry for the glare, but I'll leave it maybe like right over here. So this planner is a Disney vacation planner. It's from LimeLife Planner, and the size of this particular planner is 7 by 9, which is a great size because it's not super big, and it's not really small, which is perfect. And depending on the few adjustments that you could make inside the planner, the price will vary between $25 to $30 US plus tax plus shipping, if I'm not wrong on that. So you can pick whatever style you want to be the cover. This is what I picked. First thing, second believe, third dream, and finally dare. Walt Disney. And it is laminated, so it's pretty good. When you open up the planner, this is what it looks like. I think it's super cute. Again, like, this was something that I was able to pick as for my design. Paper quality seems really nice. So there's a lot of different sections here. I like this section a lot because it says vacation bucket list. So I think for me, this would be the area where I just like dump all of my ideas and then kind of like take it from there. This is also a really good section for vacation savings trackers. So you can start off as little as $25 and then you're moving into $50, $100, and so on. So this is also really great. Then you have your budget worksheet, and then you have like 20 magical ways to save money while you're in Disney. These are all great tips. I did read through them. This page you have, I don't know if you could read it from all the way up there, but it says like 12 months before, 6 months before, 3 months before, which is really good because it kind of gives you the heads up of things that you need to do. I know right now we don't have fast passes and we don't have like 6 months dining in advance, but this would be great areas to your dining 6 months in advance and so on. And then this is amazing because when you have more than one person in your family, unless you're traveling by yourself, list is really great because I do have a 10-year-old and I have a 6-year-old, and they are, at a different age groups and require different things for their trip. So this is really great to just keep everything in one place. So, and it allows you to pack for quite a few people. So we have 6 people, so 8 people, right? This is also super cute. I know it doesn't make sense right now, but I know when we went in the beginning, it was just great. Like when I say in the beginning, a couple of years ago, when the world was normal, this would have been great to kind of like, check off with who we took pictures. I think this is super cute, and especially like when my kids were a little bit smaller, especially my oldest one who's 10 now. When he was smaller, he really enjoyed the autograph books and just, reading little messages if some of the characters wrote for him. So that was really sweet. Additional area for more autographs. So that's super cute. This is also really nice. It covers the date you're leaving, the time, the flight, estimated arrival, travel notes. I think this is cute as well. Like you can put in your flight information And you know, if you plan on driving, I think this is also super cute for like a road trip. You know, we're here in New York, so we would drive all the way down. So I think like in the travel notes I would put like where we plan to stop, what are some of the nicer rest areas and hotels along the way, because we would typically sleep one night on our travel day to Disney. Okay, so here is your travel plans getting home. So kind of the same thing of day you're leaving, the date, how many miles you have to travel, your flight information. Cute. I also like this planner because it has like these super cute quotes. A dream is a wish your heart makes. I think that is super adorable. There is kind of like an overview of your days, and I think this is the area where you can make the adjustment when you're ordering the planner, and that's where your price will be different depending whether you want more days or less days. So it could be $25 or up to $30. So I guess I have 14 days. I'm not sure if I picked the 14 days or I picked less. I don't remember. Probably 14 days, I guess. I like to plan my days and visually see them. It really helps me. It also helps me prepare my kids, because unless you're going and spending time by the pool in Disney, which, you know, there's nothing wrong with that. Those vacations are amazing. Kids like to know what we're doing, where we're going, what time is what. So this would be amazing for them. And they can just grab this planner, open it up, and take a look if they really wanted to. But they're okay with me telling them 20 times a day. So this is really great because you have up to 14 days. Make a correction. So this area is not what you end up paying extra for. So this pages come like this as is, and it kind of gives you a 14-day overview. But now when we get to this section, this is where you would pay extra if you wanted your vacation to be longer than 8 days, because as you could see, this goes up to 8 days. So over here, I also really like this one because we have our dining options here. There we're eating in the room, getting something small, you know, the snacks. This is really great for me also as a mom, because I do like to, you know, on certain days get more things done than others. So we can have our top 5 things. And on the top, of course, you know, we have the date, the park, the hours, which is amazing. And over here it says day 1. So this is the area that if you wanted more than 8 days, if your vacation is say 2 weeks, because I know a lot of people who travel from Europe or Australia, they will come for more than a week, which is amazing. So this kind of continues throughout as many days as you need, which is great. I really love this part, and I can't wait to fill this out. And then, you know, you have extra pages like to take notes. You know, maybe you can write down highlights from your trip. What I like to do, what I used to do with, what do you call those, autograph books, I would take the Polaroid camera. We have a small Polaroid camera, and I would put pictures in there with the characters that they met. Like if the character signed on this side, then I would put the picture over here. So I also not getting rid of this planner and almost keeping it as like a keepsake after each trip, or, you know, your very special trips and stuff like that. I think it would be awesome to put some pictures from the trip right in. This is pretty much it. This is the back. This is their logo. The cover in the back is also the same as in the front. It's laminated, so it's really nice and sturdy. And here it is. All right, well, I hope you enjoyed that preview and a review of this cute little planner. Like I said, you can definitely customize your cover. You could add more days to your vacation if you need. You can also see that it's not like super gigantic, which is great. It's very lightweight, really easy to carry with you in the parks. I typically have a backpack, so it won't take much room, and plus I also take my stroller, and there's lots of little pockets and compartments that I can put this in. So definitely check this out. I will put the link to the planner down in the description below, so you can go check it out for yourself. I didn't order anything else because this was my first time purchasing, but she did send like this catalog, and there's definitely, I mean, look at the options. You know, she also has like regular planners. If you don't want to specifically get a Disney vacation planner, you can get yourself a regular planner that looks something like this. And it's very affordable, so I hope you enjoyed it. So anyways, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you real soon. Bye.